Hello, everyone, and welcome to a profound journey into the essence of life's deepest questions. Today, we're exploring the timeless wisdom of Dr. Myles Munroe's In Pursuit of Purpose. At the heart of this book lies one fundamental question: why am I here? Many of us navigate life, achieving success, accumulating wealth, or ticking off achievements, yet a persistent emptiness can remain. Dr. Munroe reveals that purpose is the missing key to true fulfillment. The first profound insight is that purpose is original intent. Imagine everything in creation, from the smallest atom to the grandest galaxy, has a purpose determined by its creator. Just as a hammer is made to pound nails, we too are designed with specific intent. True meaning, therefore, isn't found in self-help trends or external validation, but in discovering God's original intent for your life. It's about aligning with the reason you were brought into existence. Next, Dr. Munroe warns that without purpose, life is motion without meaning. We can be incredibly busy, constantly moving, yet making no real progress. Busyness doesn't automatically equate to purpose or meaningful advancement. This leads to a critical realization. Many people succeed in the wrong thing because they never truly knew their genuine purpose. They climb ladders, only to find they were leaning against the wrong wall. The third key insight: purpose precedes design. Think about it. Your unique abilities, your distinct personality, your inherent gifts, they are not random. They are meticulously tailored for your specific purpose, designed to help you fulfill it. This means nothing about you is accidental. Every quirk, every strength, every experience you've had contributes to the grand design of your life's mission. Fourth, purpose protects you from abuse. When purpose is unknown, abuse, which means abnormal use, is inevitable. If you don't know the purpose of a tool, you might misuse or even damage it. Knowing your purpose empowers you to say no to distractions, misuses of your time, energy, and talents. It helps you guard your life's true potential. Fifth, true success equals purpose fulfilled. Success isn't measured by comparing yourself to others or accumulating external markers. It's about completing what you were uniquely born to do. It's about fulfilling your assignment. And finally, purpose brings fulfillment. Money, fame, or power without purpose will ultimately leave you empty. They are means, not ends. The deepest satisfaction comes from within. Living out your God-given reason for existence brings a profound sense of joy, lasting peace, and undeniable impact on the world around you. It's a life truly lived. In conclusion, Dr. Myles Munroe's In Pursuit of Purpose is more than just a book. It's a guide to living an intentional, impactful, and truly fulfilling life. By understanding that purpose is original intent, that design follows purpose, that purpose protects, and that true success lies in its fulfillment, we can stop the motion without meaning and step into our destiny. If you've ever asked, "Why am I here?" this book offers profound answers and a pathway forward. Begin your pursuit of purpose today.